okay, John?
No.
What did you do?
No, I think my bike is like all the way off its chain.
You shifting the back?
Yeah, it's not shifting, it's not grabbing.
Huh.
But it's all the way off.
Yeah.
Hell! It's all the way off over here.
Yeah, it's over the end.
Yep. What can I do to help with the bike?
Okay, shift.
Yeah.
We might have to adjust the lower derailleur. Okay, pedal and shift. Go up gears.
Other.
Yeah.
Forward.
Yeah.
Okay, you ready?
Yeah. Oh, yeah. See. Go ahead. Go lighter gears. Nope, it jammed. Okay, because you're cross chaining. But probably just needs to be adjusted down here.
I'm sorry, guys.
I'll do it, don't worry.
Okay.
Oh, you will. I won't.
Okay, Richard, do you know better which ones to adjust? I'm shifting out of figure. Yeah, okay. Quick. Is your battery just low?
No
I don't have a battery.
Just cable. Okay. You're good. You shouldn't have to ever adjust the limit screws and the